Hey, what's happening YouTube? So today we're on the hunt for a good lumber making tree. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna find a big tree, cut her down with this steel chainsaw, and then we're gonna drag it back with the pickup, or we might even just bring the mill over to the tree. We'll see what I feel like doing. And once we do that, then we're gonna cut it into 2x6s and hopefully have some lumber to work on closing in the front of the house and maybe framing up a new doorway for a double door out front. So that's kind of what I'm hoping to do with today. So tag along and let's see what we can find over in the tree line. I think I see some big stuff right up in there. So we'll head over that way. If not, there is one, looks like just beyond that hill, right over there. Well guys, I think I found the right tree over here. It's pretty thick, it's pretty straight. Should be able to get some nice lengths out of it and a fair bit of material out of there. Take a look at that beautiful poplar. So the game plan is going to be to cut this tree in such a way that it falls directly out here towards the water and into the clearing. Then I can get the F350 in here and either drag that thing through the grass over to where I have the sawmill set up, or just haul the mill itself over here and maybe mill the tree on site to avoid having to drag that log through the mud. So that's what we're going to do. There we go. All right, let's go get the pickup. And we'll lock the hubs. So what we need for these 2x6s is we need 8-foot lengths. So I'm gonna go ahead and just chop this at 8 feet, and then we won't have to cut them as much later. So. Is just torque this thing up to 25 foot-pounds. Right there. Now I'm just going to rotate this band wheel and see if the blade is tracking straight. But I'll finish messing with this and we'll see you guys in a few minutes when we're ready to mill. Got this cant down to 5.5 inches, which is the size of a 2x6. They're 5.5 by 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to do now is just take 1.5 inch slices out of this thing, and that'll give us a handful of boards to use. And then we'll take those couple that are on the ground there and shave the live edge off, and we'll get another 1 or 2 2x6s out of that pile there as well. there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. We took a tree in its natural form out in the woods and turned it into usable lumber to finish off the house. I'm really enjoying getting to work with this new HM130. I feel like I'll get a lot done a lot quicker as I get more familiar with this machine, but it doesn't seem very difficult to figure out. It's quite user-friendly, so that's nice. So there you have it. We got 6 2x6s, probably about 7 or 8 by the time I finish trimming those first couple boards that came off the mill. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.